This G35 coupe is in great condition and looks awesome in diamond graphite on graphite leather. This Motor Trend Car of the Year is the best Grand Tourer for your money, and with maintenance-free timing chains and a 105 mile first major tune-up, you will spend more time on the road and less time in service. Go to www.infinitionoftacoma.com to see lots of high-resolution photos of this Infiniti G35 coupe. It's hard not to understand why the 04 G35 was one of the #1 selling coupes in the US, with amazing reliability, beautiful lines and awesome driving dynamics. Features included a Bose sound system, dual-zone climate control, moonroof, side and curtain airbags, stability and traction control, chip guard paint protection system, rear spoiler, performance wheel and tire package, LED tail lights, brake assist and force distribution, xenon lights, and much more. All it will take is one quick spin and you won't want to give it back. Stop in today to take it out for a spin, and please call us with any questions. Text message Infiniti1 to 48696 to view our mobile website. You can now find us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and watch our videos on YouTube. We offer special financing for the credit challenged. Price does not include tax, title, license, documentation fees, or LoJack theft recovery system.